Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to download a backup of your website using FTP or SFTP. This method is great when you need a complete copy of your site files for safekeeping or migration. Let's get started. To begin, open an FTP client like FileZilla. Then enter your FTP or SFTP credentials to connect to your server. These typically include your host, usually your domain name or server IP address, username, password, and port number, commonly port 21 for FTP or 22 for SFTP. Once entered, click Quick Connect to access your website's files. Once connected, navigate to your site's root directory, where you'll be able to access all your website's files and folders. Next, open the WP Content folder, then go to the Uploads folder. Inside it, click on the WP Staging folder, and finally, open the Backups folder. Now, locate your backup file in the Backup folder, right-click on it, and select the Download option. Once you click Download, the process will begin. Wait for it to complete, and you'll see a success message when it's done. Your backup has now been successfully downloaded using FTP or SFTP. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.